In this episode, a curious beginner and a seasoned Indigenous guide navigate a windswept Alpine basin using subtle microclimate cues. They spot sunlit rocks for warmth, shade for cooling, and sheltered ledges for safe footing. A sudden squall tests judgment as they read cloud edges and improvise a windbreak from branches. Tips stress leave no trace ethics and respect for local knowledge shared by elders, regional mentors, and communities. The finale credits Indigenous wisdom, urging viewers to learn responsibly from land stewards and to honor ancestral knowledge in daily practice.